In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down to access Privacy. After that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case Location. From here, you need to select one of your apps by clicking on the chosen one, like Chrome. Then tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last one, don't allow, so in this case, when I click on it, I need to select don't allow anyway in the pop-up. And now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. You can also go back, select any feature, and then look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Camera to manage my drive. Now click on See All Drive Permissions instead and manage all of them only for Google Drive app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!